Welcome to the weekly challenge, where I challenge you to prove your programming prowess. If you succeed, you'll have got some good practice. And if you struggle, you'll end up learning something new. This week, I am challenging you to create a simple rules engine. I'll explain more about that in the bonus challenge in a minute. But first, in case you don't know me, my name is Tim Corey, and it's my goal to make learning C# easier. That's why I issue weekly challenges. Just watching me create code isn't enough. You need to be constantly practicing in order to be growing as a developer. So let's see what I have in store for you this week. Here's the instructions for this challenge. If you're on YouTube, you can get these instructions as well as a copy of this video by following a link in the description. Now, the goal for this challenge is to create a little custom rules engine. So let's read through the goal first, which is on the left. So we're going to create a person model. Just really simple first name, last name, postal code. Then create a method called apply rules that prints out one or more statements depending on the person that's passed in. So the apply rules method takes in a person object and it says, and here's the rules you're going to create. And just 3 for now. You can create more if you want, but let's just start with these 3. If the last name is Corey, but the first name is not Tim, print possibly related to Tim Corey. Now, if the initials are TC, print same initials as Tim Corey. And if postal code starts with 18, print in the same general area as Tim. Okay, so there's 3 different rules. And just make sure that the system will print out more than one statement if more than one check matches. Meaning, if the last name is Corey and the first name is Tom, then the first 2 will run. And maybe if it has a zip code that starts with 18, then it also, or postal code, then it will also print the third one as well. So it won't just print just one. It can print none, 1, 2, or in this case, all 3. Okay, so that's the goal. Kind of simple, but yet I want you to think through how to do it well. Okay, so that's the base challenge for this week. However, we're not done yet. Once you get that, I want you to try and tackle the bonus challenge. Now, the bonus challenge is going to kind of bring out the reason why I said think through the base challenge, because I want you to try and remember that your code can and probably will grow over time. And so for a rules engine, to just have 3 hard-coded rules probably isn't enough. So the bonus is to create a company model, which has company name and postal code. And then using the same apply rules method, non-overload, the same one, perform the following checks. If name contains Corey, but not I am Tim Corey, print a company owned by a Corey. And if name is I am Tim Corey, print Tim's company. And if postal code starts with 08, print a company in New Jersey. That's where that zip code is in the United States. So the one more caveat or tweak to this is to make sure that the apply rules method is written in such a way that it does not need to be modified for every new rule or model type. So what I mean is you shouldn't have to crack that method open and put another if statement in there in order to handle something else. Now it's the same method handling 2 different models, and it should be able to do the original goal, not just the bonus goal. So you have to be able to do both. And you don't want to keep putting more if statements in there. So figure out some other way of handling that logic. Okay? So that's the base goal and that's the bonus challenge. Hopefully you think it through and can really come up with a good solution for this. Because I think that if you get the right solution here, it will help you go a lot further when it comes to writing these applications in the future, because you can create somewhat future-proof code or future-resilient code, meaning it doesn't have to change every time a new requirement comes down the pike. Okay? So you got it? I hope so. Good luck and happy coding.